So here is the comparison between Shopify and Hostinger for e-commerce, two very different platforms that can both help you sell online. You can click on the links down in the description if you want to try out Shopify or Hostinger for your store. Shopify is a dedicated all-in-one e-commerce platform built specifically for online selling. It offers built-in hosting, secure payment gateways, customizable themes, and 24/7 support, all designed to make launching and managing your store as easy as possible. It's ideal for beginners or growing businesses who want a clean, reliable setup without dealing with much tech. The trade-off is monthly fees, and some features may cost extra depending on the apps or plans you use. Hostinger, on the other hand, is a web hosting provider that lets you build an e-commerce store using platforms like WordPress plus WooCommerce or Xero, their website builder. It's usually more affordable upfront and offers more flexibility, especially if you're comfortable managing your own site. Hostinger is great if you want full control, already have a website, or prefer a more DIY approach. However, you will need to handle more setup, updates, and security tasks on your own or with limited support. If you want a ready-made e-commerce solution with everything handled for you, go with Shopify. But if you prefer flexibility, lower hosting costs, and don't mind a bit of hands-on setup, Hostinger is a solid choice.